My name is Solomon Karim. I am in the data engineering track and I discovered the Amdari Work Experience Internship through the Amdari Employability Training Program. This internship was what I was looking for because I've taken some courses trying to get into the tech industry, transiting from an administrative role into a tech role. Of course, which has its own challenges, learning new technologies. You're not sure if you are up to par with what is required in the job role. So that's where the work experience comes in for me, because all the courses I've taken, all the certifications I've gone for, this is like a sandbox where I get to work with those tools that I've learned and not just work on my own, work with mentors and fellow colleagues toward the same goal. For me, this approach is a life-giving, goal-oriented approach for me, right? Because the projects won't just be projects for fun or projects that helps fill up my portfolio to showcase what I've done to the industry. So Amdari internship is not just about getting projects done and improving your skills, but also about getting the job that you want. For me, that's an engineering job, right? So we get to do CV revamps, we get to do a lot of seminars and training to equip us towards getting the tech role that we all want. So, but thinking back at some of the projects I've completed, there's one particular project that comes to mind, which is helping a company move their on-premises database to the cloud. So for this project, we use the Google Cloud Platform, which is also called GCP. So we learned to use tools like Terraform, which is basically an infrastructure as code tool to provision resources on GCP. Resources like compute engine, cloud storage, data fusion, and BigQuery. And those were the requirements for the project. As you work on that project, you're not working alone, you're working in a team where we come to discuss what kind of architecture should we use for the project, how should we go around solving the individual problems and directions that the project might come with, right? So there's so much that you gain from working with other people. And not to forget that we have a wonderful, it's extremely experienced mentor to guide us through this project. Right? If you have questions, if you have challenges, you have someone to rely on, our own personal ChatGPT. Anyways, so I'll say if you want to stretch yourself, right? You want to get into the tech industry and you want to be confident in knowing that those dreams, those goals can be achieved, one of the best programs to take would be the work in the experience internship with Amdari. You will not regret your decision.